So you guys, I think it's Piglet Day. We've got some major swelling back here, some discharge, and she's not getting up for breakfast. So it's not too cold out. It's about 35 degrees today, so not too bad. It is going to be a little cold tonight though, about 15, so we are going to have to get a heat lamp in here for them. But for now, it's all set. I'm going to go get her some fresh hay though, because she's got this hay pretty wet from dragging it in and out of the house. And it will take update videos to add to this. And hopefully I have a head count for you guys by the end of the day. Charlotte, are you concerned? Are you concerned? It's okay, guys. It's okay. Yeah, it's all right. Let's go see what's going on in here. Oh, hello. Oh, hello, little babe. Hello, little honey. I know, Mama, it's hard, huh? Go find it? Doing a good job, Mom. That's an awfully big baby. It's right there. There you go. It's right there, you silly goose. Oh. Now, we've noticed, with all the litters we've had here, that the first babies are usually the biggest. Update. This thing is unreasonably obnoxious. It does nothing but complain. She had two stillborns that came out together. So something must have happened in the womb with those two. Which kind of makes sense because she was super big. So I'm sure she has a lot in there. And she, just as I was standing here, dropped another one. You can see it in the back. Healthy and lively, so that's good. So that means that those two stillborns was probably just something happened. Like I said, they came out together. It's too bad. They were giant piglets, but that also could be it too. Bigger ones honestly don't do that well during the birthing process. So we don't mind seeing medium, smaller piglets come out. Does nothing but complain. You got a little complainer there, Mom. You got a little complainer, and I think the one that just came out is red and white too. So far, all four that she's had, even the stillborns, have been red and white, which is funny because Dad's black and white. So these piglets are completely just two breeds of pigs. They are half Hereford, Mom's Hereford, and they're half Berkshire. Dad's purebred Berkshire. So they should be awfully colorful. So she's still pushing. Another healthy piglet just came out. You can see him or her coming over. So once she's done, this might be a while. We might be here for a while, a couple hours, depending on how many she has in there. We'll get a heat lamp up in here. They do have dry hay over there, but she's been kicking up the hay over here, so it's getting a little wet. But, oh, Mom. Hard work, huh, honey? So this one just came out. And I'm glad that I came back here to see what was going on, because when it came out, it was having trouble getting its airway cleared. And I had to rub it all over and get it coughing all that stuff up. So as you guys can see, Mom's still pushing. Her belly is still super big. Yeah, we got 1, 2, a couple more in here. This is good. Hi, Mom, I'm just gonna squeeze in here. Alright. Oh, wow. Pushed out a couple while I was gone. Good job, Mom. Oh, look at that beautiful one in the back there. Oh, isn't that pretty? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very nice. She's getting ready to push another one out. This has been a long labor, you guys. We're still going at it. She's taking a good 20 to 30 minutes between each piglet, which is why it's taking so long. We are at 6 piglets right now. She's obviously still pushing. So we're gonna have at least 7, I would say. So at least 7 piglets. They are so adorable. Look at them. Look at that white face on top. Oh my goodness. I think that's the newest one. I haven't seen that one yet.